Hey, what's up, everyone? It's great to have you back on our channel. Today, we're going to talk about something that's going to change the way you look at making money online. That's right, we're going to talk about how to earn passive income with AI in 2023. AI is one of the most significant technological advancements of our time. And with AI-powered tools, you can earn passive income without doing much work. In this video, we're going to share with you some of the best ways you can earn passive income with AI in 2023. So, if you're ready to learn how to leverage AI to create passive income streams, then stick around because we're going to cover everything you need to know. Our first way is investing in AI-powered companies. AI has the potential to transform several industries, including healthcare, finance, transportation, and more. By investing in companies that are using AI to improve their products or services, you can benefit from their growth and earn passive income. The second way is to create AI-powered digital products. AI-powered chatbots, voice assistants, and recommendation systems are in high demand. By creating these products and selling them to businesses or consumers, you can earn passive income without doing much work. The third way is to use AI-powered advertising. With AI, you can optimize your ads to target the right audience, at the right time, with the right message. This can help increase your revenue and earn you passive income. Our fourth way is developing AI-powered mobile apps. Mobile apps are becoming more popular, and AI-powered apps are in high demand. By developing these apps and selling them, you can earn passive income. The fifth and final way is to invest in AI-powered assets. These assets include cryptocurrencies and NFTs. By investing in these assets, you can benefit from their growth and earn passive income. And there you have it, our top 5 ways to earn passive income with AI in 2023. Keep in mind that AI is still a relatively new field, and there's a lot of potential for growth and innovation. So, make sure to keep an eye on new developments and opportunities. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more great content. See you in the next video.